basically the HIV genome, it comprises of 9 genes. These are responsible for production of 15 important proteins in the virus. So what are these various genes and these various proteins? So out of these 9 genes, the 3 most important genes, they include the ENV, the GAG, and the POL genes. So these are the 3 most important genes in the HIV genome. And the proteins which are formed as a result of these 9 genes in the virus, it includes the microbiology aspect of HIV virus is very important for people who are attempting part 1. So please stay tuned to this. So important proteins, they include the envelope proteins. Envelope proteins basically are 2 GP140, which is known as the surface antigen. And this is not 140, this is 120. Then GP41, which is the transmembrane antigen. So one is the envelope proteins, 2 is the structural proteins. The structural proteins, they include the capsid, the nucleocapsid, and the P6 antigen. And it also includes the matrix protein, which is P17. The capsid protein, the most important capsid protein is P24. And besides that, the third is the enzymes. Enzymes include protease, integrase, and reverse transcriptase.